We're proud to unveil the newest redesign of ViaCPA.com, and today we'll be leading you through the site search. Let's go. When on the home page, site search can be accessed two ways. First, by typing a term into the search field under the main graphic. After a short pause, the search window will list several options to choose from, or you can hit enter or click the magnifying glass to execute the search and display comprehensive results on a separate page. We'll show this to you shortly. The other way to search from the home page, and really any other page on the site, is to use the search icon in the upper right-hand side of your screen. Clicking it once opens the search interface, and clicking it again closes it. When open, the search field will appear and behave exactly like the field in the middle of the home page. When open, you'll also notice a list of quick links that can be used to navigate directly to popular sections and pages within the site. Now on to search results. Results are organized so matching events or on-demand products are shown first, followed by pages. Both types of results appear by relevancy. You can refine your search using the Type and Sort By menus. Choose your options, then click Search to see the results. To perform a brand new search, click Reset. Although events can be located from the site search by typing in their titles, more robust search options such as date, field of study, credit hours, and more can be found in the CPE catalog itself, which is located in the Learning and Events menu. We hope you enjoy our site search. Don't forget to check out our additional tutorials, and as always, please contact us with any questions. See you soon.